Hi, I'm glad you're here. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jared, and I'm a psychotherapist. I mainly work with people with functional neurological disorders and chronic pain, although in the past I've worked with people with other mental health conditions as well. If you are experiencing chronic pain and are looking for different ways to be relieved of chronic pain, then this video is for you. I will demonstrate to you how you can use meditations to find relief from chronic pain. I'll also teach you how to breathe in such a way that you can make an impact in your nervous system to help the nervous system calm down a bit. Now, for people experiencing chronic pain, it is often that there will be a negative emotion associated with the pain. And this negative emotion makes the pain even worse because what happens is that the sympathetic nerve fibers get activated even further. And this heightened activation of the sympathetic nerve fibers can increase feelings of pain. So, what we can do is reduce the activation of these nerve fibers just a little bit more so that there will be a reduction in feelings of pain. Now, one way to reduce those emotions and the intensity of those emotions is to slowly lean into the emotions. And as you slowly lean into the emotions, and then shift your attention to how your body is feeling, primarily how your body is breathing, then those feelings of pain can reduce. Now, I know it sounds a little bit too technical, but let me show you how it's done. And here we go. Alright, so go ahead and close your eyes and find a comfortable spot. You may sit or lay down. I'd like to encourage you to treat this video as educational, and I recommend you work with your therapist to give you prescribed instructions to manage chronic pain. I'm going to give you a tip to improve your meditation practice and find greater relief from chronic pain in this video. So as you find this spot to sit or lay down, I'd like to encourage you to notice how you are breathing. We're not making any corrections just yet on how you're breathing, but we're merely noticing how you are breathing just right at this moment. Notice the soft and gentle inhalations and exhalations of your body. Notice any tendency to inhale rapidly or to exhale quickly. Notice any discomfort you might be feeling. And I'd like to encourage you to move just a little bit to feel that much more comfortable if you can. Now I'd like to encourage you to see if you can inhale and breathe in for 2 to 3 seconds, soft and gentle through the nose, and not to inhale to fill your lungs to capacity, just whatever is normal inhalation for you. People usually inhale for 2 to 3 seconds already, and it can vary from breath to breath as far as the duration. So for this one, just feel your body. Sometimes you might need 2 seconds inhalation, sometimes you might need 3. You may inhale through the nose, and then for the exhalation, I'd like to encourage you to exhale around 4 to 5 seconds. Just follow your body here as well. You're exhaling softly and gently, and it feels more like a sigh. And if you're exhaling through the mouth, you should feel warm air coming out of your mouth. Again, just like a sigh. And you're not exhaling to empty your lungs. Just notice how your body comes down just a little bit, almost like a sinking feeling into your seat as you exhale. Try to breathe in this manner for the next minute or so, And just notice how it feels in your body. Let your mind wander, and at any point that your mind has wandered, just gently bring your attention back to how you're breathing and notice how your body is breathing. Notice the rhythm of your breath and just observe your breath. Feel free to breathe normally at any time. You don't have to restrict yourself to be breathing 2-3 seconds inhalation and 4-5 seconds exhalation every time. Just play it by ear and follow your body. I'd like to direct your attention to the feeling of exhalation and just see if you can notice how your body feels when you exhale every time, just as much as you can. Now let's shift your attention to the emotions you may have felt because of pain. I'd like you to remember an instance in which you felt pain, and as you remember that instance, I'd like to ask you, what emotions do you think you felt when that happened? You don't have to say this out loud, but I'd like you to remember the emotion. And then just slowly lean into the emotion. It should feel as though you're trying to remember how it felt. However that negative emotion made you feel. And after remembering that feeling and that emotion, slowly check in on your breath and notice any changes to your breath. You might also feel some tensions in your torso. When this happens, just notice the sensation and then shift your attention to how it feels when you exhale. Do your best to follow the breathing pattern, 2-3 seconds inhalation, around 4-5 seconds exhalation, softly, gently, and then just allow the body to breathe in this way. It might be that there's a tendency for your mind to go back to that negative emotion. When that happens, just slowly bring your attention back to how you are breathing, and then allow your body to settle in on the feeling of exhalation. Notice the rhythm of your breath and the gentle movements of your body. Think about how your body isn't moving very much, or not moving at all, except for your torso. And then when you notice that, it's easier to notice how your torso is moving slowly and gently. So just allow the body to move. As you do this meditation, you might feel feelings of pain. When that happens, just observe the feeling of pain and then shift your attention just back to your breath. Notice how your torso is moving gently when you breathe in and then when you breathe out. Just observe your body as your body regulates itself and find balance. All right, well, there you have it. Let me know if you've tried it. I feel quite relaxed. I'll see you again.